Today we will get one-on-one with Jose Mourinho with who will win the World Cup, his predictions. Let's talk with the man special, busman himself. Well, I don't took a shower for last few weeks. So you guys will ask questions. So I don't have time to hear your questions. So I'll answer myself. That who will win the World Cup? And I feel the team that will win the World Cup is the team that will park the bus correctly. You need to park the bus correctly in the way that the goal post to the other goal post. That's the size of the bus you need. If you are playing against a good team like Liverpool, you need two buses. You need a bus in front, and then there is another bus in front again, so that Suarez and whatever Steven Gerrard can shoot, and you can have a perfect match, a perfect tactical match, the most genius tactical match by parking the bus. Now we'll come to the World Cup. I think Italy are the favorites because they know how to park the bus. They are very good at that. I hope they still continue, but they need to learn more from me about how to park correctly bus. There is Roy Hodgson, for England manager. He is working hard on doing those tactics, parking the bus, and I think so he will continue with that, and I think so they will be successful parking the bus. And now we will say that what about Spain, the defending champions? If they park bus correctly, they need a red bus. That's the symbol. They need a red parking bus. A double decker will be fine. Okay, bye. Fuck off. I'm going. You fuck off.
And you know what? This is real. I hear what you say about me. I honestly don't believe that I waste my tears over your words.